Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and I'm so excited for this video. So I decided at the end of every month I want to show you what I have thrifted or bought from basically like small businesses or Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. I wanted to show you as kind of a little collective haul at the end of the month, and it'll be stuff that like aren't in my other thrift with me videos or other haul stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited and I thought we would just get into it. I have a bunch of different stuff, so let's just get started. Okay, so the first things I guess I will show you because they're right behind me. So there's this, you can't really see it, but I'll show you. And this, they are beautiful vintage prints. I actually got them all off of Facebook Marketplace. I got the Faunch first with this other one that's upstairs with the blue glass kind of stuff. And then I went back and got the other three that I showed you. So they're really beautiful vintage prints, gold frames. I love the gold frames, so beautiful. The guy who posted it, his dad was moving out of, I think, a retirement home into assisted living. So I walked in and all the walls were covered with like so many prints, all beautifully framed in gold frames and stuff like that. So I picked the 5 out, and the best part was that they were $10 each for these. The Toronto one, the 150-year, 200-year one, so cool. We live in Toronto, so it was nice to have a little piece of Toronto to show. And yeah, super excited. I think they're really beautiful. They're really bringing our home together. We moved here in August and we haven't had that much like wall decor yet, so I was really happy with these, and it really made me realize how much I like the gold frames as well. So I think I'm gonna be buying like exclusively gold frames and kind of have that throughout the house instead of like white frames or black frames. I just think it looks so elegant, so beautiful, clean, and it still has that vintage vibe that kind of goes with the rest of our stuff, because a lot of our stuff is vintage or secondhand. So yeah, those are super exciting Facebook Marketplace finds. I have been loving Facebook Marketplace living in Toronto. Can't wait to show you more stuff. I've already gotten another thing from Facebook Marketplace that I'll show you in my February what I thrifted and stuff. So Facebook Marketplace is the place to be. I really have been loving it. Okay, the next few things I want to show you were thrifted, and I found the most beautiful suede jackets. So the first one I found was when I was home during the winter break times after Christmas, and I found this from Salvation Army for $14.99. You'll see better in the try on, but so beautiful. It's like a size large, I think, so it has it's size extra large, but it fits me really well. It's kind of the oversized vibe which I want, but not in a way that it's like too big. You'll see what I mean when I'm trying it on, but it's so beautiful, such good quality. It's lined with like such soft material. It's a beautiful color. I love that the cuffs are also like fuzzy, and then the collar, such a beautiful piece and so warm. I'm so happy I got that. And then I still kind of wanted a tan version. This one is so beautiful, but I've really been seeing the tan version around, so this is the one more jacket I got. I honestly think I am good for jackets. I really feel like this year I got so many good ones and finished off my collection. So this one I got from Value Village in Toronto for $17.49, but I think I had like the 20% off coupon. And it's this beautiful suede one. It has, this is essential for me, the little fuzzy on the arms. And if you don't have it, like, I'm sure you can just roll it up, but I love when it comes like this. I just think it's so much more cute. It pulls in the fur from like the collar to here, and also like any lining that's on it. I just think this is so beautiful. These two jackets are like the perfect suede jackets. I got both of them in total for under $40. So definitely thrift your jackets. If I'm gonna say anything, thrift your jackets. There's so many jackets. Most of my jackets are thrifted. I have found such good pieces at the thrift store, so definitely keep your eye out for those. Okay, I'm gonna show you the rest of the stuff I thrifted, and then I'll show you the small business stuff that I bought in this month. Okay, so these I'm super excited about. These are $1.99, and I have been so into the armbands, wrist warmers, like arm warmers type vibe. I am absolutely obsessed with all that stuff. I think it looks so good, so I'll put these on for you. But I got these arm warmers from the thrift store, $1.99. They're so cute. The colors are super fun. I think it's gonna look super cute in the summer. I like this trend because for me, I actually I don't see it as a trend for myself. I see myself wearing this a lot. I've been purchasing a lot of armband stuff or wrist warmer stuff. I just think it's so cool. Like, it just looks so good. It elevates an outfit. If you're wearing like a tank top, you can mix it up with the armbands or the wrist warmers, especially if you're like in the winter and you're maybe going out or you're going to see friends and you want to wear something cute, and then you have your arm warmers. And I just think it's such a cute additive. I'm literally obsessed with this style. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot more, and I want to make some of my own if possible. Anyways, such a good find. Let me know how you're feeling about armbands. I'm obsessed. Okay, I also found this at Value Village for $7.99. This is super cute. I haven't tried it on yet because I got this right at the end of January, but feathers are definitely a thing for 2021 or 2022. We're in 2022, oh my god. But they're definitely a thing. So this is really cute. It has the collar that is feathered, and then it also has the arms, the little wrists have feathers at the bottom. I just think this is really cute. I hope in the try-on it's all good. If it does, it will be great. If it doesn't fit me exactly how I want, then I'll definitely put it on Depop. Such a cute little find, sparkly, you know, really fun, just fun. Okay, so that's what I've thrifted, and then vintage finds from our local vintage stores. So first is from Terra Thrift. Terra Thrift is good because they carry a bunch of different stuff and their prices are pretty reasonable. I pinned this picture on Pinterest that morning, and my sister came over with her boyfriend and we ended up doing a whole day thrifting. I should have honestly filmed it because we thrifted all the stuff, but I pinned that that morning, and then I was like, oh, I really like the look of that vest type of vibe. And then I found this, and they actually had another one that was a darker blue, but it didn't love it as much, and I want to make sure that I would wear it lots. So I thought this was really beautiful. It's not quite embroidery, it's just the pattern, but it looks really beautiful. I think it's so cool to layer with a long sleeve, or even just wear it as a top itself with baggy jeans, you know? Super, super cute. I'm excited to style this, wear it out. I think it's super fun. Okay, and then I'm not a huge fan of the sweater vest. I think that they look so good on other people, but I just haven't found, for me, the love for them. I think they look so cute, but for me, I'm I don't know. But then I found this one from Terra Thrift as well. And if you've been watching my last video, I've been loving this ultramarine blue right now, especially during fall and winter. And I honestly now see myself carrying this through spring and summer as well. I think this color is so cool, so good. I'm obsessed with this color. So I tried this on and I was like, okay, if I'm gonna get a sweater vest, I would want an argyle one, and I think that this color, I'll definitely try it out. So I'm excited to style it and have that in my collection. Okay, this is one of my favorite finds of this whole thing. It is from Prime Rewind, which is a vintage store right near us as well, and it's a bit more hype beastie vibes, but they actually had a selection of knits, so I was looking through, and this knit is an alpaca wool made in Peru vintage cardigan knit. It's so gorgeous, and it reminds me of the House of Sunny stuff for sure. The cardigans, it's all this beautiful different colors and color block. I think it looks so cool. I love that the front is a little scene with the two little people on it right here and the sun. I just think that that looks so cool. It's so beautiful. I was really happy with this find. It was a little bit more expensive. It was $60, but because it's such a beautiful piece, and I know I love the colors of this and I've been loving the knits, I was like, I gotta get this because it's literally the vintage version of all the beautiful House of Sunny ones, so it's so unique. I really like it because I still like that style. I think House of Sunny is beautiful. So I'm just happy I was able to get it secondhand. I almost forgot, there is one more thing I thrifted before we do the small business stuff, but it's these shoes. So I found a pair of black Air Force Ones. I know that there's some controversy about black Air Force Ones, but I've always thought black Air Force Ones look really freaking cool. And I was pinning black Air Force One outfits in high school before I heard of the whatever controversy stuff. But I don't really care. I think that Air Force Ones are one of my favorite pairs of shoes. This is my third pair, and I've gotten all of them secondhand, either thrifted or off Depop. And I just think this is so cool because it's a black shoe, but it's a black sneaker, so it's really good if you're like, it's just really good to have the option to have like the darker version, not just the white sneakers and stuff. And we're so excited. We're gonna be going to the Amine concert in March. So I think this will be the perfect shoes to wear because they won't get too beat up because they're already black, so you can't really tell. And they're leather, so to like wipe off. So super happy about these. My little high school self will be so happy. Okay, and then the last few things are from some small businesses. So in my big shop small businesses video that I posted not too long ago, I showed you Inward Clothing, which I showed you this top in it. But I saw that she had the shawls and I decided that I've been loving the armband stuff, like I said, and all that. So I decided to get the matching shawl for this one. It's like this. I have some Instagram photos and a reel that I posted for it, so I'll just put that there. So cute. I think it's such a good little set. I think I'm gonna wear this to the Amine concert as well with the black Air Forces. I just think that this looks so cool. I said it in the other video, but I just love this type of clothing, like the holes, the fabric, the putting it together. It just is like this sustainable art is how it feels, and I just think it's so cool. So this is women owned, women made, local Toronto, sustainable sourcing of stuff. So very good. Love that. M&May is one of my favorites. You would definitely know that if you follow me on Instagram. This top is from M&May, this tank top. It's their moon tank top, and I have been just obsessed with it. So I'm also wearing their Stevie pants right now. There might be cat hair on it, but they're just like their flared like legging stuff. I have like so many of their clothing. I'll definitely be doing a reel of all the stuff soon. But I just was so in love with this top, so I decided to get it in 2 more colors because once her fabric is gone, it's gone, because she sources it sustainably, or sometimes it's dead stock, so they can't always restock it. So if you want it, there's definitely still some available, I think, but I got this and I got this one. So just the white and the ultramarine version. I got her biker shorts in this color. So I'm excited to pair this with the biker shorts as like a little matching set. I'm just obsessed with the way that this fits. It's such a flattering piece. I'll just show you what it looks like on me here. But I just like how it comes in here. It's like a thick band. It's what I've definitely been looking for a while. The stitching is like on the outside, which is kind of cool, just something different. And it hits nice. It's like, there's my belly button. It's not too high, not too low. I think that is pretty cute. So that's what I got. Okay, and the last thing I got was a beautiful, beautiful vintage vase from 365. So she sells lots of vintage furniture. My dresser's from her that I got back in October, I believe. So she had a little like smalls sale and I got this beautiful vase. I'll hold it up, but I took a video of it for you. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell as much with the flowers, but it's all like, I'll put a picture of it from her website before it has flowers in it. But it's just like this like very curvy style vase. It's a nice big vase for our coffee table, and I just like the curvy things in here, and then juxtaposition with like more sharp corner things. I don't know how to describe it, but I like having like our coffee table is like a clean white square, and then our couch is a bit more like flowy, and then the vase is kind of like flowy. So I like bringing in like the round as well as the like straight lines, and it kind of complements each other. So I thought that that vase was perfect for our living room, and that's the second bouquet of flowers we've had in it because I got it like January 2nd, I think. So yeah. Okay, well that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you did, because I'm gonna film them at the end of every month, and you can let me know if you are liking it or not. I don't know how big they'll be every time. This one had a good amount of stuff. Sometimes I might only have a few things. I don't know yet. We'll just have to see. It's gonna be very interesting to look back at the end of the year and see what I bought every month. It's gonna be very interesting. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!